Welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you how to select the alert area in the Waze app on your phone. Managing the alert area helps you get the right notifications about traffic and incidents based on your location and route preferences, whether you want alerts for your entire route or just nearby areas. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu, tap on the Settings option. Then, scroll down and select Alerts and Reports. This section allows you to control how and where you receive notifications about traffic events and road conditions. After entering Alerts and Reports, you will see an option called Area. Tap on Area to proceed. Now, you can choose from several options to define the area where you want to receive alerts. The choices typically include all, which means you will get alerts from anywhere. En route only, which limits alerts to your current navigation route, and distance-based options like 5 kilometers or 25 kilometers around your location. Simply select the option that best fits your needs. Finally, once you have made your selection, you can exit the settings. Your Waze app will now send alerts according to the area you chose, helping you stay informed without unnecessary notifications. Thanks for watching.